New just listed home, 7606 Woodbridge Boulevard, Tampa, Florida by Stephen Mason from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhouse with 1,296 heated square feet offers comfort and convenience in the heart of Morgan Woods. This move-in ready home features an open concept living and dining area with laminate flooring, an upgraded kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ceramic tile floors. All bedrooms are upstairs with generous closet space, while both bathrooms are updated and stylish. Enjoy a private fenced patio, in-unit laundry, and access to community pools. 2 covered parking spaces complete this low-maintenance lifestyle package. Just minutes from Tampa International Airport, this home is perfect for you.